Watch this video till end. I'm going to share my bad experience which I faced while climbing the stairs in Charminar. Hello friends, hope everyone is doing good, and today I'm going to show you the most famous tourist place in Hyderabad, that is Charminar. So let's get started. Everyone knows about Charminar history, so I'm not going to repeat it again, but I'm going to give a small tips when anyone goes to the Charminar. Near Charminar, we have so much of street shopping located in a narrow bylane during our visit to Charminar. So here the street market is famous for bangles, earrings, pearls and many more items. I have done 2 videos on best collection of Charminar street shopping. I have provided the link in the description, please do watch. The roads are very narrow and crowded with sellers, vendors and traffic, and there is no proper parking facility here, so better go this place by auto, cab or two-wheeler. As this place is very crowded, keep your belongings secure because they are pickpocketers. If you bring your kids, so hold their hand all the time because as this is crowded, they may miss from you. If you plan to visit the Charminar and also do the street shopping at the same day, so it will take a lot of time, so we have to walk a lot. So it's better not to bring kids or elder people who cannot walk a lot. Even during the COVID time, this place is very crowded, so plan here to visit only on the weekdays, not on the weekends. And then in the weekends, like it's fully packed with so many people. Entrance ticket at Charminar is 20 rupees per person, and for foreign tourists they are charging 250 rupees. And the timings at this Charminar is it starts at 9:30 am in the morning till 5:30 in the evening. Do watch this video till end because I'm going to share my experience while climbing the stairs in Charminar. There are 149 narrow and very steep steps to reach upper floor. So I would strongly advise people not to go to the top and try to avoid taking elderly people or kids to the upstairs. While climbing it's very easy, but when you come out through the staircase and it's extremely suffocating and cramped, and it's impossible to get out because there are people behind you. So before exiting or coming out, so take a deep breath and go down to the stairs, because I'm the one who faced this situation. Really, I felt so much of suffocation at the middle of the staircase, because there are so many people behind me and before me. Next time if I go Charminar, surely I'm not going upstairs because of that narrow staircase.